Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like the video. Like, comment and share. You know I do. Let's go straight into the video. So I started off by combing the brow with a spoolie. Then I lined the brow with David's number 89 pencil. Start filling it in from the inner corner. When I reach the outer corner, I use the lighter strokes. Then brush it with a spoolie to make it look natural. I go back and forth with the pencil and the spoolie. I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. I'm using it to clean my bottom brow with a flat brush. I then use my finger to blend it in. And I'm using my foundation to clean the upper part of my brow. And it's Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut. I'll still then use my finger to blend it in. I still went back with the LA Girl Pro Conceal for my eyeshadow base. I blend it in with the Damn Beauty blender. So today I'm using just one palette for my eyeshadow, for my eye makeup. That's the Morphe 35A eyeshadow palette. I start with the brown as my transition color. I went back with a yellow to blend that in. So I went with this silver color for my inner corner. Then followed by this purple for my crease area. I then went back with my transition color to clean up the inner harsh lines. And I'm using this Nivea body cream as my moisturizer. Apply it all over my face, then massage it in to my skin. And I'm using Pond's as my primer. And I apply it to areas that I have oil more. That's my nose, my forehead, and other areas that produces oil. And I'm using Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut. I apply it all over my face and use the Damn Beauty blender to tap it in. And don't forget to blend in your neck. I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Almond as highlight. I still went back in with the Damn Beauty blender to blend it all in. I'm using Avour Professional Powder Palette for my setting powder and contour. I'm going with the shade 20 using a brush to set all the highlighted part of my face. Then for contour, I went with the shade 30 still in the Avour palette. I might do this with a circular motion to avoid any harsh lines. I then contour my hairline so that it won't look like I'm wearing a mask. I use a smaller brush to contour my nose. I put a setting powder in the bridge of my nose. I'm using this red for my under eye to smooth it out. After that, I went with this black eye pencil to line my waterline. I then apply eyeliner. Then my falsies, and I'm more comfortable using my hands for this. I then dust the excess powder from my nose. Then use the classic mixed and fixed setting spray for my entire face. And for highlighter, I'm going in with the Avour Professional Powder Palette in the shade 102 as my highlighter today. Now I'm applying my nose, my cubic bow, and my cheekbones. I like it when my cheekbones are popping. Lips, I'm using David's number 3 eye pencil. And then going with this Tara lip gloss. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Like, share, and support your girl by subscribing. Till I see you in the next video. Bye for now.